You're listening to ARC Advisory Group's The Sustainability Podcast, where we explore how artificial intelligence, industrial sustainability, logistics, supply chains, and smart cities are shaping the future. In every episode, we talk with industry leaders who are finding practical ways to create more sustainable solutions. Whether you're a business professional or just curious, these conversations will give you fresh ideas on how to reduce environmental impact while improving efficiency. From smart technologies to rethinking supply chain strategies, there's always something new to learn. If you'd like to go further and make a real difference, be sure to connect with ARC Advisory Group. Our expertise can help your organization adopt cutting-edge sustainability strategies that drive both innovation and results. Don't miss the chance to stay ahead and make meaningful changes for a more sustainable future. Welcome again to another episode of the Sustainability Podcast. Today we'll be discussing mastering industrial sustainability. We'll take a look at an upcoming webinar by ARC based on ARC's Sustainability Playbook. Hello everyone, good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are, and welcome. I'm Jim Frazer, your host, and I'm excited to share this very interesting opportunity for industrial leaders and sustainability-focused professionals. Today, we're going to delve into the crucial topic that affects virtually all of our industries. We're talking about sustainability, and in particular, the ARC Sustainability Playbook, integrating people, processes, and technology. This webinar is designed to tackle one of the most pressing challenges that every senior leader in industrial sectors faces, which is the integration of sustainability in a way that enhances both operational efficiency and competitiveness. Of course, sustainability isn't just about environmental responsibility any longer. It's a key driver for resilience in today's economy. Leaders everywhere are looking for ways to reduce costs, improve productivity, and meet growing regulatory demands. This webinar will show you how connecting people, processes, and technologies can provide solutions to all of these challenges. Attending this event will equip you with the tools you need to implement this real change. We'll guide you through strategies that can enhance both short and long-term success for your own particular businesses. So in today's landscape, sustainability is no longer an option. It's critical. Companies that fail to adapt are at risk of falling behind, while those that prioritize sustainability will find new pathways to growth. From reducing your environmental footprint to improving your company's overall economic resilience, sustainability has become an integral part of how successful businesses operate. The landscape of industrial sectors is evolving rapidly, and sustainability is a significant factor in that evolution. But how can you ensure that your organization isn't just following the latest trend, but is truly leading the charge towards sustainable practices? Well, you'll find those answers in our upcoming webinar. This hour-long session will explore how integrating people, optimizing processes, and leveraging advanced technologies can drive sustainable growth. It's part of ARC Advisory Group's Sustainability Playbook. It's a webinar that provides a fully well-rounded approach that ensures all facets of your operations are aligned with sustainability goals. Attendees will come away with a clear understanding of how these elements work together to deliver superior results. Sustainability is the future, and this is your chance to get ahead of the curve. So let's talk a little bit about ARC's Sustainability Playbook. It's been built on years of research and insight from experts who have identified practices and strategies that successful leaders are using today. It's not just a theoretical exercise. The playbook itself provides real-world, actionable solutions to sustainability challenges. It highlights how leaders can integrate sustainability into every aspect of their organizations, from the boardroom to the shop floor. We've seen how companies that adopt these strategies are not only reducing their carbon footprint, but also seeing financial gains. Our experts will explain how to implement these strategies so that sustainability becomes part of your organizational DNA. The playbook, additionally, breaks down complex sustainability issues into manageable steps that companies of all sizes can readily adopt. You'll discover how to engage employees, streamline processes, and utilize technology to meet and exceed your sustainability targets. With practical examples and success stories, this playbook is a vital resource for any leader in the domain. Registering for the webinar ensures that you have access to this powerful guide. It's a roadmap for building a more sustainable and profitable future. So by attending this webinar, you will learn these practical strategies that you can implement virtually immediately. This session is designed to provide insights, again, that are not just theoretical, but are truly actionable in the real world. Whether you're a senior executive, a sustainability officer, or an operations leader, there's something valuable in there for you. From leadership insights to advanced process optimization techniques, this webinar covers all aspects of driving sustainability within your organization. You'll learn how to transform your leadership's approach to sustainability and make it a core principle of your corporate strategy. We'll dive into how you can optimize industrial processes to reduce waste, conserve energy, and improve resource efficiency without compromising productivity. We'll also discuss cutting-edge technologies like AI, IoT, and predictive analytics, all of which are becoming essential tools for companies that want to lead in sustainability. Attendees will have access to solutions that they can start implementing as soon as you can return to your desks. It truly is a must-attend event for anyone serious about making sustainability a strategic advantage. Next, a little bit about our speakers. Our lineup of expert speakers includes thought leaders and industry veterans who have firsthand experience in leading sustainability initiatives. First up, we have Peter Manos and Gavin Simon, two leaders who will explain how senior leadership can embed sustainability into the very heart of an organization's mission. They'll share actionable tips on how to cultivate a corporate culture that doesn't just pay lip service to sustainability, but fully embraces it. Sustainability shouldn't be viewed as a standalone department or initiative. It should permeate every level of the company. From Peter and Gavin, you'll hear about leadership strategies that inspire employees at all levels to engage in sustainability efforts, aligning individual efforts with broader corporate goals. They'll also discuss how to align sustainability with long-term business goals, helping your company achieve not only environmental, but also financial success. By embedding sustainability into your corporate culture, you'll foster greater employee engagement and innovation. They'll also discuss real-world examples where these strategies have transformed industrial organizations. So this leadership segment will equip you with the mindset and tools to make sustainability a business imperative. Next, you'll hear from my colleague Rick Riss, an expert in operations management and process optimization. He'll be focusing on how industries can rethink their processes to achieve sustainability. Rick has years of experience helping companies reduce their environmental footprint while maintaining high productivity levels. He'll walk us all through the steps required to audit existing processes and identify inefficiencies that could be hampering both productivity and sustainability. Many companies overlook the power of process optimization when trying to achieve sustainability targets, but this can be one of the most effective tools at your disposal. Rick will also explain how companies can reduce waste, conserve energy, and improve resource efficiency while still meeting production goals. He'll provide examples of how minor adjustments in processes can lead to significant environmental and financial gains. His insights will help you rethink how your organization approaches production and resource management. Process optimization isn't about cutting costs. It's also about creating a more resilient, future-proof organization. After Rick's segment, you'll have a very clear idea of the next steps you need to make your processes more sustainable. Larry O'Brien is our final speaker, and he'll be delving into the role of technology in industrial sustainability. Technology has always been a game changer, and nowhere is that more evident than in the sustainability space. From IoT and advanced data analytics to AI and machine learning, technological innovations are providing new ways for companies to track, measure, and optimize their sustainability efforts. Larry will explore how companies can use digital tools to not only meet but exceed these targets. He'll introduce the concepts of digital twins and explain how they can simulate real-world processes to find inefficiencies and optimize operations before changes are implemented. Predictive analytics, Larry also will be discussing, and these can help foresee maintenance needs, reducing downtime and improving efficiency. Larry will also show how to integrate the range of these technologies into your operations in a way that drives sustainability while also providing a competitive edge. The future of sustainability is certainly digital, and Larry's session will give you the tools you need to lead that future. This is one segment you definitely don't want to miss. So, in conclusion, attending this webinar is simply a great way to stay ahead of the curve in industrial sustainability. You'll hear from 4 different experts who are at the forefront of sustainability leadership, process optimization, and technology integration. This webinar offers more than just theory. It provides practical, actionable steps you can take to improve your company's sustainability efforts. We'll also provide you with information on how to access ARC's Sustainability Playbook, a valuable resource filled with insights and tools for helping you achieve your sustainability goals. Remember, the future of industry is sustainable, and those who don't adapt will be left behind. So don't miss this opportunity to gain valuable insights that can drive both environmental and financial success for your organization. Secure your spot by registering today. We look forward to seeing you there, and we're excited to support you on your sustainability journey. Thank you for joining us today on the Sustainability Podcast, and please stay tuned for more updates and insights. Thank you for tuning in to the Sustainability Podcast. Today, we explored how artificial intelligence, logistics, supply chains, and smart cities are revolutionizing sustainability efforts across industries. Now's the time to take what you've heard and start implementing those changes in your work. Please share this episode with others who are passionate about building a better future and keep the momentum going. For those looking to go deeper, ARC Advisory Group offers unparalleled guidance in developing and executing sustainability strategies. Please reach out to us for expert insights and support that can help you turn these ideas into action and to lead your organization towards a more sustainable path.